Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, digression, is going to be explained in detail, but if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. It can be defined as: a digression in literature is a temporary departure from the main plot or narrative of a story. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a digression is basically referred to a deviation from a main plot. Actually, you might have observed any drama or story, there is always main plot or story. But, sometimes a playwright temporarily leaves the main plot of the drama or a story. But here must be a question in your mind that why a playwright temporarily departs from the main plot. So, there are various reasons behind it. The first one is to provide additional information. By this point, it means that digressions can be used to provide the audience with information about the characters, the setting, or the plot of the play. Simply, the playwright sometimes provides information through digression which is necessary for the main story. The second point is to add humor. By adding humor, means that digressions can also be used to add humor to a story. For example, a writer might digress into a funny anecdote or observation in order to lighten the mood of a serious scene. Basically, sometimes a writer wants to lighten the mood of the audience so he adds digression to his main plot. To create suspense. It is also one of the reasons that digressions can also be used to create suspense. For example, a writer might digress into a backstory of a minor character in order to build anticipation for their return to the main plot later in the story. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.